So today we are going to be unboxing the Playmax Surface X1 RGB mousepad. I've been needing a new mousepad for a while, and someone gave it to me as a gift, so thank you if you're watching this video. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so let's have a look at the box. So on the front here it says that it's got a small surface, RGB lighting, touch control, USB, it's USB powered, moisture resistant, dust resistant, and it's got non-slip rubber. So this is 400mm by 300mm. It's got 13 different lighting modes, and it's 3mm thick. So let's open it. Seems pretty good. Let's get our knife. Okay, this is the first mousepad I've got in like ages. Oh, that's nice. Wow. That's massive. Wow. Okay, let's give it some power. Let's see what it does. Oh, and a nice long USB cable as well, that's good. It's always good for these desktop things when they put in long USB cables, because some companies don't, and that just makes it not very useful. Wow, that looks pretty cool. Right, so it's like it goes red, blue, green, purple, purple, orange, green, flashing, so as far as I can tell, this is pretty good quality. I'm quite happy with it. Let's just roll it in the other direction to see if the wrinkles come out. Yeah, that helped a bit. Guess with time those will come out. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. Unfortunately I don't have my top-down camera right now. But yeah, so I think that brings this unboxing to an end. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.